Hi, this is our project 2. We have Horizon Hospitality, and it's by Sophia, Caleb, Marlo, Ryan, and Wyatt. Hi, I'm Sophia Calcasola. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm a sophomore, and my major is business.
I'm Caleb Moore. I'm from Redondo Beach, California, and my major is business economics, and I'm a sophomore.
Hi, I'm Ryan Priest. I'm a sophomore from Williamsburg, Virginia, and my major is finance.
Hi, I'm Wyatt Bloom. I'm from Huntsville, Alabama, and I'm a sophomore majoring in business pre-med. Our agenda for this project was company overview, problems being faced, solutions, pros and cons, our recommendations, assumptions, risks, and strategies to fix these risks.
Our executive summary. Horizontal Hospitality is in need of a new platform as they have had multiple problems over the past couple of years, and this has affected the effectiveness of the company overall. They are given 3 different approaches, but after weighing out the pros and cons, we believe that the hybrid approach will be the most effective. The hybrid approach will combine both options in terms of vendor control as well as customization. This will mean we'll be able to take some of other companies' ways that they use their technology and also be able to change it to ourselves. And we believe that this will overall maximize opportunities within the company and allow the company to get back on track with minimal problems overall. For our company overview, we are a regional hotel and resort chain that's based in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We operate 10 different hotels across the Rocky Mountain region, employing around 420 staff members. We generate around $38 million in annual revenue, and our goal is to provide top-tier personalized guest experiences with the help of technology to deliver positive guest experiences. And as you can see, this picture is one of our hotels in Colorado, and then this is just an overview of Colorado in general.
Our problems and solution. Our problem, third-party booking platform, manual spreadsheets for loyalty tracking, and a paper-based for spa and event bookings. This leads to double bookings, weak loyalty engagement, missed opportunity to upsell dining and spa services. Our solution to these problems, based on our options, we believe a hybrid approach will be the most effective. It will be able to encourage aspects from both options and allow us to be successful with our wants and needs. This will also just keep everything clean. As you can see, this is a 4-star rating that we want to go up.
For the pros and cons of Horizon Hospitality, we have get a mixture of an effective vendor plus flexibility from customization. It will be easier to maintain. It won't take super long to assemble. Should be minimal problems. On the other side, for cons, it may be costly due to the fact it's customizable. We will need to hire a strong IT team. If original vendor decides to make updates, we will have to agree. And then there are limitations within the system. And then here we have our crew discussing all that in the picture below. And then for our recommendation and argument, we believe that the hybrid approach is the most effective approach in comparison to the others. It will help us to improve our department, operations, marketing, IT department, and even our finances. By adopting this approach, we will increase booking, improve cross-selling for our dining and spa experiences, reduce errors with double booking and data, and be able to integrate booking and loyalty into one platform. And then down here we have a front desk at one of our hotels.
Next, we'll go over the assumptions and risks. With any major organizational change, there are always inherent risks that must be carefully considered. For Horizon Hotel, the transition to a hybrid operation operational model represents both a significant opportunity and a substantial investment. The estimated cost for implementing this hybrid approach is approximately $240,000, and this figure includes technology upgrades, staff training, marketing integration, and vendor coordination. Because this is a relatively high expenditure, any unforeseen complications such as delays, cost overruns, or underperformance could result in a considerable financial setback. And another key assumption is that the integration process will proceed smoothly across departments, and that the hybrid model will deliver long-term efficiency gains. However, there's a risk that staff adaptation and the customer acceptance may take longer than projected, and resistance to new technology or process could impact short-term productivity and guest satisfaction. And finally, market conditions such as fluctuating travel demand, inflationary pressures, and shifts in consumer behavior could influence the success of the hybrid model. The projections assume stable economic conditions, consistent occupancy rates, and positive guest engagement. Should these factors change unexpectedly, the expected return on investment may be delayed or dismissed. And next, we'll be going over the strategies for fixing the risks. To address the potential risks associated with this project, Horizon Hotels has developed several strategies focused on minimizing uncertainty and ensuring a smooth transaction. One key strategy involves negotiating a formal agreement with our current vendors that grants us partial access and oversight of the website's maintenance and upcoming system changes before full implementation. This arrangement will allow our internal team to observe, learn, and gradually adapt to the new technology while maintaining business continuity. By doing so, we can evaluate vendor performance, assess the success each stage, and make informed decisions about whether to continue long-term partnerships with these providers. In addition, we plan to implement a training and communication program for our staff to ensure everyone understands the new hybrid models, tools, and procedures. This will reduce confusion, build confidence, and prevent the operational shutdowns during the transition. Regular progress reviews and performance audits will also be conducted to identify problems early and adjust strategies as needed. And finally, based on the customer feedback and market research, many guests have expressed interest in a more flexible and technology-friendly booking experience. This supports our decision to adopt a hybrid model which combines in-person hospitality with online efficiency. By aligning our improvements with customer preferences, Horizon Hotels can strengthen its brand reputation, improve guest satisfaction, and maintain a competitive edge in the hospitality industry. Overall, these strategies aim not only to reduce risk, but to enhance both company performance and customer happiness. And thank you for listening to our presentation, and we hope that this strategy can work in the future.